All right, next up I got Insane Collectables Topps Chrome Sapphire Edition. Good luck. Some of this yesterday. This is the first box for today. We've had the hot hand. Still looking for our first super out of this stuff. How about we start right now? All right. Velasquez. Tucker Barnhart. Orange, number to 25. And you Darvish. Soler, Scherzer, Peralta, and Danny Jansen. Toronto Blue Jays, Kenley Jansen. Got to take down Kenley Jansen this next round. Autograph of Josh James. Astros. We need Pete Alonso, not Yonder Alonso. Brantley, Hamels, Bohr, and Bieber. Barreto. Austin Riley, rookie. Blackman. Davis. Yuli Gurriel. Bregman. That was an all Astros pack. And finish it up. All right, got some purple. It is Milwaukee Brewers of Hernan Perez. That was numbered 4 of 10. Jose Abreu to finish it out. All right, buddy. I appreciate it, man. If I can get you anything else, just